Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about an important grammar and critical thinking topic, facts and opinions. Have you ever read something online and wondered, is this really true or is this just someone's belief? Understanding the difference between facts and opinions help us first write more clearly, think critically, avoid misinformation, and support our arguments and evidence. By the end of this video, you will be able to first, define facts and opinions. Second, identify signal words. Third, distinguish between them in a text. And finally, the fourth one, analyze an example paragraph. Let's get started!
First, we will identify what is the fact. A fact, it is a statement that can be proven true or false by our evidence. Fact can be our objectives, can be verified, and lastly, do not depend on personal feelings. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. The water boils around 100 Celsius at sea level. And lastly, there are 12 months of a year. So, this statement can be checked using scientific data or reliable sources. So remember class, if it is proven true, it is fact.
So, let us now talk about opinion. So, an opinion is a statement that expresses a belief, a judgment, a feeling, a personal view. So, opinions are subjective, cannot be proven true or false. So, might this differ from person to person? So, here are the examples of opinions. So, first is, chocolate ice cream is the best flavor. And the next one is, summer is better than winter. So next one is, online classes are more convenient than face-to-face classes. So these statements depend on personal preference. So do remember, if it's based on feelings or beliefs, it is an opinion.
And now, let us proceed to the signal words. Sometimes, we can identify opinions using signal words. And these are the examples of common opinions of signal words. Number 1, think, believe. In my opinion, I feel. The best and the worst, should and also must. For example, I think students should wear uniforms. The phrase I think tells us this is an opinion. Facts usually contains numbers, includes dates, research, findings, and avoid emotional language.
Okay, now, let's proceed to example of text analysis. Now, let's analyze a short paragraph and identify whether it is facts or opinion. This is our paragraph. Now, let's break it down. The first sentence, social media is one of the most important inventions in the 21st century. This is opinion. Why? Because most important is a judgment. Not everyone may agree. Sentence number 2. It allows people to communicate instantly across the world. This is facts. Why? Because this can be verified. Social media does allow global communication. Sentence number 3. Over 4.5 billion people use social media globally. Yes, this is fact. Why? It includes a number that can be checked using research data. Lastly, sentence number 4. However, it can be sometimes waste students' time. This is mostly an opinion. Why? The phrase waste time is subjective. Some may agree, others may not.
So now, let us compare the fact and opinion. So first, the fact. So fact is can be proven, objective, based on evidence, uses data and research. So the next one is the opinion. So opinion cannot be proven. It is subjective, based on belief, uses feelings and judgment.
So why it is important? Understanding facts and opinions help us on write stronger essay, support arguments with evidence, avoid being misled by false information, and improve reading comprehension. So, for example, in argumentative writing, use facts to support your claim. Use opinions carefully and explain them clearly.
Go. In conclusion, a fact can be proven true or false. An opinion expresses a belief or feelings. Signal words help us identify opinions and always analyze the text carefully to separate facts from opinions. So, the next time you read an article, watch the news, or scroll on social media, ask yourself, is this fact or opinion?
Thank you for watching! Bye!